For many Redmond homeowners, convenience and efficiency are top priorities. With busy work schedules, family commitments, and the fast-paced lifestyle of the Pacific Northwest, home maintenance often takes a back seat. That's why choosing low-maintenance awning windows is a smart move for those who want functional, attractive, and hassle-free windows that work well in Redmond's climate. These windows not only enhance your home's style but also save time and effort in upkeep, making them ideal for today's homeowners. What are awning windows? Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a slanted, awning effect. This design offers several benefits. Ventilation even during rain. The outward tilt allows fresh air in while keeping rain out, perfect for Redmond's wet climate. Compact design. Awning windows fit well in tight spaces such as bathrooms, kitchens, and basements. Versatility. They can be used alone or paired with larger window styles to maximize light and airflow. Their smart, practical design is one of the reasons they are so popular among homeowners looking for low-maintenance solutions. Why low maintenance matters in Redmond? With frequent rain and seasonal changes, windows in Redmond homes are exposed to constant moisture. Low-maintenance awning windows are designed to withstand these conditions without requiring endless upkeep. Durable materials. Vinyl and fiberglass frames resist rot, peeling, and warping. Weather-resistant finishes. Protective coatings prevent fading and reduce the need for repainting. Easy-to-clean glass. Many modern designs allow for easy interior cleaning, so you don't have to climb ladders or struggle with hard-to-reach areas. For busy homeowners, these features mean less time spent on repairs and more time enjoying the comfort of your home. Energy efficiency and cost savings. Another reason Redmond homeowners choose awning windows is their ability to improve energy efficiency. Tight seals. When closed, awning windows press firmly against their frames, preventing drafts. Double or triple pane glass. These options add insulation to keep homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Low E coatings. Special glass coatings reflect heat and harmful UV rays, reducing energy costs while protecting interior furnishings. With rising energy prices, installing energy-efficient awning windows is a smart investment that saves money in the long run. Style meets practicality. Awning windows provide more than function, they enhance your home's style and curb appeal. Clean, modern lines. Their simple design works beautifully with both contemporary and traditional Redmond homes. Flexible placement. Use them high on walls for privacy, over counters for convenience, or as part of a larger window arrangement. Natural light. Their wide glass panes bring in plenty of daylight, creating bright, welcoming interiors. This combination of style and practicality makes awning windows a versatile choice for busy families who don't want to sacrifice beauty for function. Professional installation for lasting results. While awning windows are low maintenance by design, professional installation ensures they perform their best for years to come. Correct sealing. Prevents water leaks, which is especially important in Redmond's rainy climate. Precise fitting. Ensures smooth operation and long-lasting durability. Expert advice. Local professionals can recommend the best materials and glass options to suit your home's needs. Investing in expert installation saves time, money, and frustration down the road. Final thoughts. For Redmond homeowners juggling work, family, and daily life, low-maintenance awning windows are the perfect solution. They combine durability, energy efficiency, and modern style with the added bonus of easy upkeep. By choosing high-quality materials and professional installation, you'll enjoy windows that keep your home bright, comfortable, and functional without demanding constant attention. If you're ready to make your home more convenient and stylish, consider upgrading to low-maintenance awning windows. They're a practical, time-saving investment that fits seamlessly into the busy lifestyle of Redmond homeowners.